This is Samsung Galaxy M56 5G smartphone, and in this video I'm going to show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. You can remove any unnecessary object or any person from any of the images. Open the image and then select edit. Click on this icon and then select object eraser. Circle the object you want to erase. It will scan the image and then it will automatically erase the object. As you can see in the before and after, it works really fine in the smartphone. You can fully customize your control panel in the smartphone. This phone comes with a new control panel. As you can see, you can fully customize this. Click on that little icon. From here you can drag and drop any of these panels as per your liking. You can also set the old control panel, the together one, in which you will see your notification center and control panel together. To do that, click on this edit button and then select panel settings and then select together. Now it will enable the old control panel, and if you're using the new control panel, then you have to swipe from the right side of your screen to open your control panel and from the left side to open your notification center. You can also switch like this. You can directly download any image, copy any text while using your social media applications or using your browser. Let me show you how it works. For example, if you're using YouTube and you want to download any image, simply open your S panel and then select Smart Select. It will scan the display. Now circle the image you want to download. From here you can download it, share it, set it as wallpaper. Now if you want to copy any text, again circle the text and click on this text button. From here you can copy any text by using your social media applications or browsing your internet. You can record all the calls without download any third-party app or without any announcement. Simply open your dialer and then click on these three dots, select settings and then select record calls. Enable auto record calls, then it will record all your calls without any announcement or any beep. This phone comes with speech to text feature in the recording app. So if you're a student, then this feature can be really helpful for you. Open the voice recorder application and then select speech to text and then hit the record button. Then it will start giving you text while recording. As you can see, it is giving me text whatever I'm saying in the video. So if you're a student, then this feature can be really helpful for you and you can use this in your lectures and your conferences, etc. You can fully customize your locked screen and make it look really cool. Pinch in on the home screen and then select wallpaper and style. Click on this one and from here you can change the clock style. You can change the font. You can even change the color of your clock. You can change these quick access application from your locked screen. And you can also add any widget. Select your favorite widget and then click on done. So that's how you can fully customize your locked screen in this smartphone. This phone comes with edge lighting feature for your notifications. To enable this, open your settings, select notifications and then select notification pop-up styles. Select edge lighting styles. Here you have really cool looking styles. You can select from these. You can also change the color of these styles. You can also change the transparency and duration. After this, click on done. Now whenever someone will text you or any notification will come, then it will show that specific edge lighting in your smartphone. If you want your phone to read out the name of the caller for you, then open your dialer and then click on three dots, select settings, select answering and ending calls, click on read caller's name aloud. Firstly enable this and then select always. Now if someone will call you, then it will read the name of your callers. If you long press the power button, then it will launch Google Gemini instead of opening your power menu. If you want to set it to power menu, then open your settings, scroll down and then select advanced features. There you will see the option of side button. Click on this and then select long press. From here select power menu. Now if you will long press your power button, then it will launch your power menu. If you want to change the order of these three buttons and if you want to set gesture navigation, then open your settings, select display, scroll down and then select navigation bar. Select more options. From here you can change the order of these three buttons. Now if you want to set gesture navigation, then simply select swipe gestures. Now you can go back like this, open your recent application like this and jump to your home screen like this. In the same side button setting, you will see the option of double press. Click on this. From here you can select any of the apps of your smartphone or any of these tools. For example, if I'm selecting torch, now if I will double press my power button, then it will turn on the flashlight, and if I will double press it again, then it will turn it off. So you can select any of these tools or any of your favorite application for this action. You can use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of split screen feature. Open the first application, put it in recent tab and then click on the apps icon. There you will see the option of open and split screen view. Select this one, then select the second application you want to use. As you can see, you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen. If you will try to take a screenshot by swiping down your three fingers, then you won't be able to do that. But there is a different gesture to click a screenshot. You have to use your palm and then swipe to the left like this. Then it will click a screenshot for you. You can also use the volume down button and power button. Press these two buttons at the same time, then it will click a screenshot as well. You can also clone the Messenger application and log in with two different accounts in the same application. Open your settings, select advanced features. There you will see the option of dual messenger. Click on this and then select the app you want to clone. Click on install, then it will make the clone of that specific application. You can also use the floating window feature to multitask in your smartphone. Open your settings, scroll down and then select advanced features. Click on labs. Firstly, enable multi-window for all applications. Select multi-window and then enable all these three features. Now if you want to open any application in multi-window, then swipe from the corner like this, then it will open it in floating window. You can drag and drop it anywhere and keep on using your smartphone. If you want to close it, then click on this little bar and then click on this close button. Now you can use the split screen feature with the help of simple gesture. Simply swipe from the bottom with two fingers like this, then it will enable a split screen feature and you can use two applications at the same time in a single screen. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use the next two features to protect your eyes. Open your settings and then select display. The first one is dark theme. If you will enable this, then it will turn all the white colors into black color. This will decrease the pressure on your eyes. And the second one is eye comfort shield. If you will enable this, then it will warm the color of your screen. As you can see, this will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. In your app drawer, right now you have to swipe to the right to open your all application. But if you want to change single row, then click on these three dots and then select sort. Select alphabetical order, then it will bring all your application in a single row. When you are on home screen, you don't have to reach at the top to open your notification center. You can simply swipe down from the blank area, then it will open your notification center. You can also hide any application in this smartphone, but it will not give you any kind of lock for that. Simply pinch in on your home screen, click on settings, scroll down and then select hide apps on home and app screens. It will show all the application that you have in your smartphone. Select the app and then click on done. Then it will hide that application from your smartphone. Now if you want to unhide it, then again open these settings, select this and then click on this again. You can read deleted messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. and you don't have to download any third-party app for that. Simply open your settings, select notifications, select advanced settings and then select notification history. If this is disabled, then enable this. Then it will save all the notifications or messages that will come into your smartphone and you can read it from here after someone deleted. This phone comes with circle to search feature as well, so you can search anything while browsing your internet or using any social media application. For example, if you're using YouTube and you want to search anything, then simply tap and hold from the middle bottom like this. Then it will enable the circle to search and then circle the object you want to search, then it will directly search it on the Google, as you can see. So you can use this circle to search feature in this smartphone as well. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of Samsung Galaxy F56 5G smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.